What's up guys, I'm back with another video. In today's video I will going to start the new project and it is called guess my number, which means you will going to guess some number, and then I will going to randomly choose Python from randomly some number between whatever we want to guess, and then we will going to print it out. We will going to guess that number, and then it will going to tell us if we are right or not. And I will show you that building project, and let's get started. Alright guys, I'm back. If you want to watch the previous video I uploaded, you can watch that video, and it is rock paper scissors game. But now let's create a new file called guess my number. I know I spelled it wrongly. I think this is I apologize if I spelled it wrongly. Okay, and now we can just call Python code. Okay, we create our file, and let's start it. And one thing to know that this project is I'm not going to do a bunch of code here, but instead of that I will going to do faster than the previous projects. In the previous projects I am stopping in some part and I'm explaining well, but if you are coming from that video, you have to able to understand the code that I'm writing without a deep explanation. So let's start. First we're going to import we're going to import random, and I explained this in another project, and we can do Python choice. Then we can say random dot choice, and we can pass a list, or we can just range. I also have explanation video about the range syntax. If you want to watch that, you can do that. We can say range, and also I had explanation video about how the variables work, if you are not familiar with it. But if you come across my playlist here, I hope you are understand it, so I'm not going to spend time explaining that topic. So let's say 10, and we can pass range 1, and then we import a random, and we specified random 1. I just call it 1 because we cannot use range because it is have some usage here, so that's why I added up some 1 here. Okay guys, and as you can see here, we create range 1 called variable, and we specify 10, and we say here Python choice equal to random choice, and we do that, and then we can just say just say again input 1 equal to input we can say guess my number. I know I spelled it wrongly. I think it is spelled like this, right? Guess my number, and you can just create a new line. And we can take input from the user, and then we can just print you choice. We need to have if, and I also had explanation for this. And also I'm not going to say that if I believe you are understand it, I'm not bother you by just saying you know that or like that. Okay, I'm going to put input, no, I will say Python choice, and Python choice, and then just do that, and we can able to run this one, and we can see the performance. Okay, let's get 3, Python choice 5, so it means we lost. And basically this is how the project it looks like. If you can see, it is only had 1 2 3 4 and 5 line of code. I just create a new line to just be readable, and that's what's look like. But I can also show you how can we adjust something here. If input 1 equal to Python choice, we can just print you got the correct one, or yeah, we can just say you got the correct one, or else print you missed, or you can just we can print it out this. Okay, let's do this. Let's stop. Okay, we can just do Python choose this number, and then we can say you are wrong. And we can just see the performance. Okay, guess the number is guess 1. Python choice 1, and you are wrong. Wait. Okay, I got it's because we do not cover it with int, because it looks like a string, that's why. But let's run this again. Let's choose one again. Python choice 0 number, you are wrong. Okay, let's choose 0 again. Okay, 0. Okay guys, I'm sorry, I got my error here. It's because instead of changing the input value into the integer, instead I did changing the Python choice. So instead of doing that, I will change the input value into integer. Just use int, and to test it out, I only do for one range, so it will going to be only choice 0. So let's see, let's say 0. It will go, it must be correct. Okay, you got the correct one. And this is we can just adjust the range by just changing whatever number we want to change, and we can create some fun code like this one by just using those syntaxes. And this is the project it looks like, and I'll see you guys in the other project. Goodbye.